What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Gardening with Green. I'm Misty, and thanks for tuning into my channel. Today we're going to be looking inside of the Sugar Baby watermelon that I harvested from my watermelon patch just this morning. This little baby right here, it weighs about 4.5, 5 pounds, and it is the last of the Mohicans. I harvested my first watermelon and I shared it with you guys in a video. If you go onto my channel, you'll see that video is harvesting Sugar Baby watermelons. And this also was grown from the seed of the first Sugar Baby watermelon that I ever grew and harvested in my garden 3 years ago. So I am very proud of this baby because that seed from that very first watermelon is still growing, and it let me know that, hey, you can do this. That was the first watermelon that gave me my confidence to let me know that, hey, you can do this gardening thing and you're going to be successful. A couple years ago, I started this journey with gardening and want to grow healthy food for my family, and I have become obsessed with this whole idea of gardening and the life cycle and how one seed can grow you so much food for your family, and it's healthy, doesn't have any chemicals. So it's the best food that you can grow for your family. So today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this baby open and we're going to view the inside of it. The first watermelon that I harvested was 8 pounds and it tastes delicious. It was juicy, it was sweet, it had so many seeds, and I really enjoyed that watermelon. I really got to see the benefits of the labor and the love that I put into it, and I was really grateful that the sun and the energy and the Most High blessed me with a watermelon, and it's blessed me with this also, so I'm going to share it with you guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this baby open and we're going to see exactly what's going on in the inside. Hopefully this one is as juicy and as sweet as the first one. Let's take a look inside. Ooh, that's nice. Nice and red. It's not as red as the first one, but it still looks good and juicy. It has a lot of water. It has a lot of seeds. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a taste and see if it tastes just like that very first watermelon that I grew in my very first garden. There's a lot of seeds. Here we go. It is just as juicy and just as sweet as that first Sugar Baby watermelon I harvested. It's not as red, but that's okay. It's kind of a trial and error thing when you're dealing with melons, but in any event, it still has that same juicy, sweet taste, so I'll take it. Babe, would you like to taste some?
Sure, why not?
How it taste?
That's good.
It's good. All right. So we have that same juiciness. We have that same sweetness. We have a lot of seeds. We don't have that redness, but that's okay. I still call that a win-win-win. You know, harvesting off of this watermelon that I grew the first time that I ever grew a watermelon. Great experience, and I'm going to keep these seeds also because I want to keep this rolling, keep this process rolling. So if you guys like this video, make sure you hit me with that like button, hit me with a comment, you know, if you like it, hit me with the like button, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel, Gardening with Green. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel, and you guys have a good night. Grow healthy.